Right, I've just got to the job and that's where we're supposed to be parking, but somebody, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a thing there, and there's a chain that goes all the way down. Somebody's lowered that chain so they can get the cars parked on there. There's a sign in window over there on that one telling them to not park there because we need it for access, and this building owns that. So this is what happens when people take piss. Start dumping cars and stuff everywhere. I know it's double yellows and it's parking permit that side. There's just no way to park on this area, so I'm not going to be able to do this job if we can't get them cars moved. I've got to do them stones, and there's some more on front, but I can reach to all front side here if I can get to the side. Anyway, I've just texted him to see if he knows what crack is. We'll just sit it out and see what happens. Right, that's that done. I'm happy with them. Can't note about stone delaminating there. That were gonna happen regardless. It was gonna happen if Blaster did it, or if we ever got to it, it was still gonna delaminate at some point. So Blaster's helped it on its way. So look around here. Oh yeah, that little one. That one. Them's them. Yeah, windows are getting changed, so it's not a problem anyway, so it's not to be worried about. So as long as I didn't break it, kept it building secure, that were enough. Right, just had a bit of a catastrophe. Well, catastrophe, it could have been very dangerous. When I pulled up this morning, my handbrake stopped working. I think I've snapped cable, so I fixed it over a week, but it's decided to pack in again, so that little bodge I did, it hasn't lasted. Anyway, I put handbrake on compressor, left van in gear. Just as I was about to set off then, I forgot to turn handbrake off on compressor. So I've just gone up and I've taken it off and van starts rolling. So I put handbrake back on and I've just been looking for some bricks to shove under wheels, so I'm at that stage. I've got a couple of bricks under wheels and I managed to get into the van. Oh, that's one and I'm gone. And one under compressor and all. Yeah, that's gone. Right, I need to pull up at the other side of the road now and use that big ass Corsi. That curb or whatever it's called. Oh, this lass is coming around. She don't realise I'm going to be backing up. Where's she gone? She's there. Too close to that car behind. So I've got to put gate back on, what was snapped off this morning, to stop them parking on there so that they can get in tomorrow. Not tomorrow, Monday. Because it's bedlam around here for parking. I think that's got it, anyway. I'll leave it in gear as well, but I'll just get a minute just in case it decides to jerk forward. That'll have to do. There's one bonus with being on a busy road. I got some advertising out on it. I've got to go and quote a job now. It's on the right corner. In fact, she said she's messaged me before about a job. I've actually quoted for it, but she never got round to doing scaffolding. So she wants me to go and have a look and see what's the best thing to do. She wants to see if I think he realises I'm going to be turning in a second. Let's see if I can get down here before this van. Another busy bit of road. It's a busy area, this. It's not ideal for blasting. All the way to end, turn left. All these busy little shops. Oh yeah, I can see it. It's the dental studio, dental practice, whatever they're called. Ooh. Oh, and there's a motor spare shop at the side of it. Oh jeez. No handbrake. don't think that one's for me. I don't know, to be fair. Crikey, it's busy around here. It's too busy. There's a lot of people walking up and down, and it's directly on pavement. You'd have to get some sort of permit to shut road or shut corsi. I don't think this is going to get done. I hate to disappoint people, but I don't think it's a job for me, this one. There's too much liability, there's too many people about. There's an MOT centre just outside, so that's going to obviously be busy. There's going to be cars going up and down there. There's a brake check in place here, something like a quick fit or something, and whatever this is here, 3 units. And then there's a shop there. Yes, I don't think this one's for me. I'll message you and I'll let her know.